So hello guys, welcome back to my channel. And I know I haven't been uploading recently. Some stuff is going on in my life, but now I will focus on uploading more videos. And in this video we are cleansing the original Windows 10. Now if you are an avid user of Windows 10 or 11, you will know that it comes with a ridiculous amount of bloatware, be it official Microsoft apps or any third-party apps which run in the background and eat your RAM, storage and even performance. Well, you can install the bloated version of Windows, but that's something I'd rather avoid because of security concerns. In this video, we will debloat a pre-installed copy of Windows for demonstration purposes. I will use a virtual machine because I've already done that on my main machine. Although fair warning, it is not reversible, so if you want your bloatware back, then you might want to reinstall Windows. For this to work on your system, you will need a software called Bloat Box. You can easily download it from GitHub and it's completely open source. After downloading it, run the program as an administrator and a dialog box will appear. This is where it gets interesting. You can either remove all the bloatware whatsoever, like even Microsoft Store or Microsoft Edge, or you can keep the ones you want by pressing remove selected button. This is one of the safest ways to debloat your Windows because software automatically skips the functions or files that are essential to run your Windows. And it will only remove the parts which are completely bloatware. So in the end, you are left with a clean, unbloated, fast and responsive copy of Windows. This guide is especially useful for people who either have an older computer or have a less powerful computer. That's all for this video. If you like this video, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye now.